Hey everybody, today I thought I would share a productivity hack that I use. It's a bit of online software called Otter.ai, and it does a great job of taking any sort of video or audio content and actually creating the transcript of it for you. And another cool feature is it will create an outline. So just the highlights of whatever that content is. So if you're trying to extract like the main key points of some sort of webinar presentation or a podcast or something, and you just want to really just highlight on the highlights, it's great for doing that. So I'm going to sort of hope this all works. As you can see, you can either paste the meeting URL to record. So, if you're attending a webinar and the host allows you, you can do that live. You can also import a recording, which is what I'm going to do. I'm going to click that button, drag and drop. This is a video that I created, some content I created. You can see it's uploading there. Let's watch the magic happen. If this is too slow, then we will pause. No, look at that. Is that right? Let's see here. Okay, let's move me over here. Oh, my kids are making this video not so good. They're screaming. 9 of 10 imports left. I'm going to close that. I guess it's done. Nope. Not. Would you like to be notified? Yes, notify me. Okay, we're going to pause and we will come back. Okay, so we are back now. It finished processing. And as you can see, so this was like just over 10 minutes. You can see that. And look, it created an entire transcript of the whole thing. And you can actually copy the summary, which actually will integrate Chat GPT into this and see how good it does of sort of extracting the highlights, which I do as well. I use that as well. But if you click on here, summary, you can see, I don't know, John discussed his investment strategy. Actually, it's Rick. I'm not sure where they got John, but you can change that. And then you can see outline, real estate deal criteria and why a particular deal was not moved forward with. Speaker discusses deal criteria and why a particular deal did not meet their criteria. Pretty cool. So if you click on that, it will take you to the section of the transcript where that was. So a really cool tool, and it's really fast. I mean, it does faster than I could. So I can sort of take this and kind of put it in my own words as a summary, or we can use Chat GPT. Let's go to copy that. And let's see, I think I have Chat GPT. Sounds like my son has decided to skateboard right outside the room as I do this recording. Okay, so please summarize this transcript in a short paragraph into a short paragraph. Okay, now I'm going to paste the whole thing and click the arrow. There he goes. John, again, I don't know why they're calling me John, but let's see what it says. John shared his insights on real estate investment strategies in a tough market, underscoring the need to assess crime rates and collaborate with reliable operators for achieving average returns. That's not right. I didn't do a very good job. He emphasized the higher cash-on-cash returns can be attained through renovations and enhancing the property's reputation. And it's not doing a very good job. Let's see, though. Let's say extract the key moments, the key highlights of this transcript and put it in bulleted form. See if it does a better job doing that. So it's kind of doing something similar. Let's see. Importance of evaluating crime rate investment in investment areas is okay. Emphasis on working with trusted operators to achieve average returns. It's not right. That's something that I would have to adjust. This is why you have to check Chat GPT. It doesn't do anything perfectly. It makes a lot of mistakes. So you do have to check your work. Need for higher cash-on-cash returns through renovations and reputation building. a little out there. Acknowledgement of higher risk associated with C-class properties. That's good. Criteria for deal evaluation and reasons for not moving forward with a specific deal. Hesitation due to high crime rates in the area. That's good. Concerns about the vintage of the units despite good market and solid cap rate. Yep. That's good discussion. So most of this is pretty good. So let's see. Let's just go back to summary here as my son continues to bang and clank. Sorry about that. It's probably getting picked up out there. So yeah, pretty cool. I hope you can make use of that. I do. But like I say, it's not always perfect and you do sort of have to check your work. But that's a little productivity hack where you can, pull information from long transcripts and sort of summarize what you're looking for. All right. Okay. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.